Recording in progress.
Okay, so can everyone unmute and let me know how long they're practicing every day, one after another? Yeah, we'll start with Aditya. Sorry, I cannot hear you. Like how much? Like 10 minutes, 20 minutes?
I could not hear you.
Hare Krishna, is my voice audible across?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji, it's fine.
Okay. Anyways, um, hard to codes also. Okay, so who is practicing for like half an hour? 30 minutes, anyone? 30 minutes of practice? Okay, 25 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, Suraj, that's great. 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, good. And every day, yes? I hope that's every day. Okay, Devanshi also says. Okay, Pradyumna, do you do that every day? Yes? Okay, you can unmute and let me know. Sorry? Sometimes, okay. Try to do that every day, then you will see like really good results in you. It's very, very important to practice every single day. It's like a sadhana. So it has to be done every day. Okay, enough saying that. We will now jump into Heart Sadhana practice now for 10 minutes. And then we'll then proceed on to learning Kirtan Mantra. Okay, we'll do some simple Terik Heta practice and then we'll move on. Okay, on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Hey, 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 ta, hey, 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 ta, hey, 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 ta, hey, 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 ta, hey, 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 ta. Chant and play. Hey, 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 ta, 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 Re, He, Ta, He, Re, He, Ta, He, Re, He, Ta, He, Re, He, Ta, He. They should be loud. He, He, Ta. Aditya. He, 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 Ta, 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 He, 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 Ta. Next beat. He, 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 Ta, 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 He, He, He. Nikhil, focus. Ta, He, 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 Ta, Nikhil, practice. Next beat. Aditya, chant the mantra and play. One more. Next beat, last beat. Devanshi, try it. Okay. So by now everyone should at least be able to come to this speed that we played right now. Okay, that should be the level that everyone should reach by. And after that we will go to at least by the next month to this speed. At least to that speed we should be able to come to that in by next month. Okay, so now it's going to become a bit more difficult. Okay, we need to increase our practice. No more 15 minutes a day. It should be like more like 25 to 30 minutes a day. Then you can see some really good results in yourself. Anyways, Can someone let me know much mantra we learned the previous week?
Get tapping on the fingers.
Sorry?
Get tapping on the fingers.
Yes, on the fingers. Show on the fingers. Can someone show me?
Prabhuji, can I see?
Yes, okay. Devanshi, go ahead. Yes, after Devanshi can show Pradyumna.
Jha gap ta gap te ta gap. Ki ne da ge da.
Good, perfect. Pradyumna?
Get get.
Lower it. I cannot see it. Just, no. Yeah, prefer. Yeah. No, more on the. Yeah.
Cat gap te ta gap.
Okay.
Ki
I cannot see it. Again, from here. Start. Ha. No. You're right. You just missed one thing. Ki ne dha ghe tha ghe tha. Can you do that?
ne dha ge dha.
Perfect. Very good. Anyone else wants to show? Okay, Nikhil, go ahead.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Prabhuji. They 1 second, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. The gap. 1 second. Prabhuji.
Which mantra are you talking about?
1 second, Prabhuji. Gap.
No, it's te yeah, over here. All they count all the way to 16. So they each mean something. They're just not like I'm just not doing it for fun. Like no. They all are counts. So after the first count, we go to the second count, then third, then fourth, then fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. That's the idea.
Is it count or cow?
Sorry.
Prabhuji is saying COUNT count or COW cow?
COUNT.
Count.
Yes.
Gap. Ta gap.
Okay, go ahead.
Ne da.
Uh-huh.
Da.
Oh, good. So that's right. Everyone has got it more or less. So today we learn this. I just want to share my screen. Okay. Pretty long mantra. NS means Nitai side, just letting you know. Okay, I'm putting the short forms. Just a second. Sorry, just a second. Just Devanshi, we haven't finished writing the mantra. Sorry. I had written this last class. I didn't know
Yes,
that. Thanks.
Prabhu.
Yes,
Okay.
Prabhuji.
I didn't know this. Sorry. I thought I didn't write it. My bad. Anyways, so if you have written, that's awesome. It's perfect. Let's go ahead with it. Okay. But did we learn it on the mridanga? We didn't learn it on the mridanga, yes? Okay. Let's do it now. So first thing, this mantra is played in every kirtan in ISKCON Kirtan. We talk about Guru Ashtaka Mangala Arti, Narasimha Arti, Tulsi Arti, Guru Puja, Sandhya Arti. Most of the common artis, this mantra is being played, and its derivations, or some variations that are there that derived from this mantra. So we're going to learn all of that. So first, cha comes cha. So to play cha, you have to actually use full hand. What I mean by full hand is this. Okay. So on the Nitai side, you get an open sound here. Okay. Sharp open sound. And the other side also you have open sound. You have to play it at the same time. Please note, cha should be loud. Okay. So the mantra should go like this, like cha, ta, te, ta. So the cha should be loud. Cha, cha. So I wouldn't suggest everyone to move their hand like this. Okay, I just did it to show how it goes. But usually just move your wrist. That's enough actually. Keep your hands like this and you can do like that. Yes, Suraj, good. That's good. Okay, so that's cha. Then comes ta. Okay, again open sound. Ta. It should be an open sound. Like how you have te, re, khe, ta, same ta. So ta. Okay, Nikhil, you trying? Okay, it's called ta. Then comes te. So that's the cha, gap, ta, gap, te. So this is how you play te. Okay, te. And then comes the second te. Now the second te is using a thumb. Te, te. Okay, so te, te. Te, te. Okay, everyone is getting that. Great. So this is how the te, te, and the last one is ta. So te, te, ta. Te, te, ta. Yeah. So this is how the first two lines sound. Cha, ta, te, te, ta. Cha, gap, ta, gap, te, te, ta, gap. Okay. Can everyone play? Okay, Aditya, I will start with you. Please start. Okay, play one more time. Okay, good. Nikhil,
Prabhuji, it is te te ta or tere ta.
it's te te, T E T E, te te ta. Yes, but the second te is played like a re. Second te is played like a re. Yeah. Yes, Nikhil, go ahead.
Prabhuji, but tere ta, te, and this is played as re, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, so sometimes the one word can have multiple meanings. So the te can be played like this, and the te can also be played like this. Okay,
Okay.
that's the answer to it. Okay, any other question? Okay, can you play chata te te ta?
Cha. 1 second, Prabhuji. Yes, sir. Cha. Cha. Te. Te. No, te. Te. Ta.
Are you okay? I'll play it one more time for you. Pay attention. Okay, it's cha, ta, te, te, ta.
Prabhuji, 2 times are doing like this. After cha.
No, yeah, for cha, it's open sound. Cha. Okay,
Prabhuji,
cha.
are you doing something in the Gauranga side also?
Gadadhar side, not Gauranga side. Gadadhar side.
Yes, sir. Gadadhar.
Yeah. Okay. So here you play he and here you play ta. So cha, ta, te, te, ta. Can you play that?
Yes, sir. Cha. 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 Ta. Te. Te. Ta.
Okay. So first comes cha. Can you play cha for me? Just cha. No, it's open. You know, open sound. Yeah. So play on Gadadhar side and Nitai side. Yeah, cha. Then comes ta. Okay. Te, ta. Te, no, te. This slow sound. Te, te, ta. Yeah. Play it on again. Te, ta.
One second, it's asking to save somewhere. I'll just save it. Kirtan mantra.
Fast, Nikhil, come on, we don't have time. No, ta.
What?
Ta is open sound. How many times should I say that? Ta.
Yes, ta, ta, te, ta,
No, te, ta.
te, te, ta,
No, te,
ta.
ta. Yes, correct. Good. Devanshi.
Gap, ta, cha, gap, te, ta.
Okay, good. Pradimna.
Gap, gap, gap.
Very good, very good. Suraj. Wonderful, perfect. So we have done the first two lines, great. Now comes the second, third line, which is a little tricky, but let's do this. Okay. The next one is third line is called ki ne tha. So this is how it goes on the mridanga. So ki ne tha. Now the two keys are played. It's a little gap in between. It's not exactly a gap, but ki ne tha. Ki ne tha. Ki ne tha. Ki ne tha. So this is the first two. Ki ne tha. So that's the keep side. Now comes the ne. The ne is played with 3 fingers. Okay. It's a 3-finger closed sound. I believe in the previous one I wrote something else, if I'm not wrong. Yes,
It's Lucius.
yeah. I realized that after I wrote it. Anyways. Yeah. Yeah, so just make that small change. It's actually 3 fingers. Ki ne tha. Okay, just 3 fingers. That's the only small change over there. So ki ne tha. Ki ne tha. Can everyone play that? Nikhil, can you play that, please?
Prabhuji, on the open side, it's I mean on the other side, it's open sound, right? For that.
Yes, dha is open over here on Nitai, and Gadadhar also is open. You have to play both the sides. It's an open sound on both sides. Okay, so please make that small change. So ki ne tha. Ki Okay. Can everyone? Okay, Aditya, can you play first this particular part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great. But now, just for the key, just remember this, and everyone else, please focus. Okay, it's key, ne, tha, key, ne, tha, key, ne, tha. Keep that this tone, this tune, sorry, this tune in your mind. Okay, it's not ki ne tha, then it becomes a different tal. So it's ki ne tha. Keep that in mind. Okay, Aditya, play again. Just play the ki ne tha again. Okay, perfect. That's good. Devanshi,
He
one more time, please. Okay, good, good. Nikhil. Good. That's also good. Pradyumna.
Yes, what?
Yeah.
Eta.
Okay, nice. Suraj. Wonderful, wonderful. You are being quickly. That's nice to see. Now the last part is simple. It's just on the Gadadhar. You have to just play this. Ghe tha, ghe tha. So ghe is over here. Ghe, okay. Ghe, and then comes tha. Just as we had ki ne tha, same tha. So tha. Index finger open sound, Nitya side, and the other side open sound. Ki, ne, ki ne tha, ki ne tha. Ke tha, ke tha. Okay. Ke tha, ke tha. Ke tha, ke tha. I show on the Nitya side. Ke tha, ke tha. Yes. Move turn your wrist like that. Yeah. Ke tha, ke tha. Good, good. Okay. Aditya will start with you. Can you play the third and the fourth line? So it's ki ne da ke da ke. Okay, nice. Devanshi.
Ki ne the ki ne. Wait, sorry. Ki
Ne is three fingers, the middle and the ring finger and the pinky finger.
ne tha, ge
Try one more time.
ne tha.
Okay, good. That's good. That's good actually. Nikhil. Hare Krishna. Nikhil, can you play? No, third and the fourth line. I said. Sorry. I said third and the fourth line.
He,
No, it's simple. It's just K over here. K, then comes Ha. So it's K, Ha, K, Ha.
he, the.
No. K comes here. K.
He,
No, only K. I said only K. GHE, K, K. GHE, K. Just here, yeah. Good. So K, Ha, K, Ha.
he, the, he, the, he, the.
Yes. So Dha is an open sound here. K, Ha, K, Ha. Okay, good. So Ki, Ne, Da, Ke, Da, Ke. Okay. Okay, you're close to it. That's good. That's good for now. So, Pradyumna.
Yes, Rules.
Can you play one more time?
Geda, Geda, Geda.
Okay, just one slight correction. When you played Gheda, Gheda, it goes like this. Khe, Tha, Tha. It's index finger open sound. Tha, 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 Tha. Okay, so Khi, Ne, Tha, Khe, Tha, Khe, Tha. Look at it one more time. Khi, Ne, Tha, Khe, Tha, Khe, Tha. Okay.
Geda,
Okay, open sound. Can you show me your Nitai side? No, show me your Nitai side. I cannot see it. Okay, good. Don't play like this. Don't play like this. Play like this. Yes. Like this. Okay. Suraj. Okay, that's nice. Good. So most of you have got it. That's sorry. That's very good to see. Now let's do some practice for 10 minutes on this Chhata Te Teta mantra. Okay, everyone turn to your Nitai sides. Okay. Pradyumna. 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 Okay, Hare Krishna. Am I audible over here?
Yes, please.
Okay. Yes. Please turn to your Nitai sides, everyone. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Cha. Gap. Ta. Gap. Te. Te. Ta. Gap. Khi. Khi So, K, A, K. Okay, is the speed too fast? Should I slow it down a little more?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, anyone else who wants me to reduce the speed? Slow down. Okay, let's slow it down. 1, 2, 3. Cha. Gap. Ka. Gap. A. A. Ka. Gap. Ki. Kine. Ka. Ke. Ka. Ke. Ka. Cha. Gap. Ka. Nikhil, try. Gap. A. A. Ka. Gap. Ki. Kine. Dha. Ke. Dha. Ke. Dha. Cha. Gap. Ka. Gap. A. A. Sorry. Ka. Gap. Ki. Kine. Dha. Ke. Dha. Ke. Dha. Cha. Gap. Ka. Gap. A. A. Ka. Gap. Ki. Kine. Dha. Ke. Dha. Ke. Dha. Cha. Ka. A. A. Aditya. Yes. Don't use fingers. Let's focus on this right now, on the full hand technique. Okay? Okay, again from the start. 1, 2, 3. Cha. Gap. Nikhil, try. Ka. Gap. A. A. Ka. Gap. Ki. Kine. Dha. Ke. Dha. Ke. Dha. Cha. Gap. Ka. Gap. A. A. Ka. Gap. Ki. Kine. Dha. Ke. Dha. Ke. Dha. Cha. Okay, I'll pause here. Is everyone getting this? Anyone finding any difficulty? You can please unmute. Aditya, Devanshi, Nikhil, Suraj, Pratyumna. Everyone got it?
Prabhuji, it's a bit jumbling.
Jumbling in a sense?
Jumbling, I mean, like I'm playing another in the, I don't remember.
Like you don't remember what is tha and what is. Are you saying like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, it's not that it's gonna come over like in next 10-15 minutes you'll learn the mantra. It takes some time. That's alright. Should not be an issue right now. Do You have to practice a lot, at least Jata Te Te Ta. That's very, very important. Learn the mantra again and again. Go through the notes. See what is Ta, what is Te. Then you will know. Okay, Pradyumna?
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yes, Devanshi.
No, Prabhuji, actually, I was getting confused in me and Tha because I was thinking jumbling.
So Ne is close sound, 3 fingers. Okay. Devanshi, you here?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes.
Okay. So understand this. This is the concept of mridanga. Okay. So this is how it. He, she, ne, tha. So once you do te, ki, ne. After the ne, put your hand upwards, and then you play the open sound for dha. Ki, ne, dha. Okay, that is the idea behind this. That's why we don't use ne. I mistakenly wrote that last week. You don't use index finger because this is how it should be. This is the rule of mridanga. After the 3 fingers are used, the next thing that one must do is play the ta, the open sound, because that's how the finger movement goes. Te, ta. Like. That is the science behind it. That's how things go. So therefore, after the ne, that's 3 fingers. That's all I'm doing. Ne, hand upwards. Okay, palm facing the ceiling, and then play dha. Okay, Devanshi, you got that or did it help?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, can you show that now?
Ki, ne.
Okay, that's good. Pradyumna, can you show yours? Can you show your kikki nedha? Your entire chata te te ta kikki nedha.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Just a second. Can you play the?
Okay.
Okay. Try to, instead of going, because it's not ke tha, you're not using full hand. You're using only index finger. So ke tha, play like that. Yeah. Don't use your other fingers. Just the index. See where my other 3 fingers are. They're downwards. They're not even near the nitai side. I mean, touching the nitai side. Sorry. He tha, he tha. Good. So you do know the mantra. We are saying you don't know the mantra. You know it. That's good. Okay. Nikhil, do you want to show? You're on mute. I cannot hear you. Is it original sound turned on? I cannot hear you clearly.
Oh. Yes, Prabhuji. Now can you hear me?
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay, Prabhuji. Gita. Gita.
No. Show me again. Gheta, gheta. Sorry. I can hear you. I can hear you clearly. Your ghe dha, I mentioned it many times. It's ghe dha, ghe dha.
Da, he, da.
Okay, that's actually at least better now. Okay. Anyone has any other further questions on this mantra? Okay. So please learn this mantra properly. This is this week's homework. So two things: practice your tiki takis for your hatha sadhana, and your kirtan mantra is going to be chata tetita. That's your practice for this week. If everyone does it properly, the next week we will learn the application of it in kirtans, how we can apply it in kirtans, and then afterwards we'll learn some other mantras. Okay. Okay, we'll call off for today's class. Your time. So let's chant the pranam mantra again. Okay. Om Mridanga Brahma Rupaya Lavanya Rasamadhuri Sahasraguna Samyuktam Mridangaya Namo Namaha. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare. Okay, thank you for joining. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.